How to attach one or more files to an email in Gmail. Within your Compose window, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open a window that shows you files on your computer. You'll need to be able to navigate to the correct folder to find the files that you'd like to attach. Once you're there, you may click on any file to highlight it and then click Open to attach it to the email. You may also attach more than one file at a time from this window by pressing and holding the Control key on your keyboard. As you hold the Control key, as you left click on files, you'll notice that they stay highlighted no matter how many you might click. When I click Open, these 5 highlighted files will then be added to the email without me having to add them one by one. And that's all there is to it.